Hi, I'm Louise. Welcome to my brand new YouTube channel, where I'm going to be sharing with you art inspiration and some tutorials. Today I'm going to demonstrate how I created these gorgeous gold leaf canvases and covered them with beautiful blossom with acrylic paint. So blossom fans, let's do it. Okay, so for this stage we have got our blank canvas. This is a big mama. It's a metre by a metre, which is big. And these are materials we're going to need for our gold leaf stage. So I'm using some Mod Podge and I've mixed it 50-50 with water so that we have got this kind of milky consistency. The gold leaf, these I got on eBay. That's actually 100 sheets in there. And they come in these very delicate sheets which have a little tissue backing which you use to rub them on. We've got some scissors, we've got a dry bristle brush which we'll be using for applying the gold leaf and then brushing off the excess. Right, now I have employed my glamorous assistant to rub off with the soft dry bristle brush all the excess gold, which is a very satisfying process. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, take 17. I now have my canvas completely covered in gold leaf, which is wow, and was a huge amount of fun to do. If you know me, you know that I love using gold, metallic, anything shiny. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to paint on some cherry blossom. So this is for a commission, and the cherry blossom is going to be lilac coloured. I've already done a pink cherry blossom, which I will show you at the end. Done is I've been on Pinterest and I've saved loads and loads of images of blossom. I've also painted blossom over the years hugely, so I've just got a lot of blossom in my head, so it just sort of comes out. But I have sort of planned out the composition and I'm going to map it out just in white paint. Okay, so I'm going to bring you in a bit closer to show you that. Okay, so I've got my white acrylic paint. So I'm just going to put some of that on a plate. I'm going to paint some branches and some blossoms and get the things that are generally mapped out. And then I'm going to overlay lots more flowers and details. This is a quarantine, so people are coming through all the time. And my dog keeps barking as well. Anyway, so let's go for it. Thank you, Lena. That's my dog. There's an ambulance outside. Okay, so just with the white, I'm mapping out. I've got a little sketch down here that I've roughly When I do this in white, I really like the way it looks, and one day I'm going to do a painting which is just white on gold, because it does look really cool. Anyway, this is going to be all sorts of shades of lilac and purple, which is going to show up amazingly against the gold. Let's bring another little branch down there. It's nice when you're working against the canvas to use a really long brush, because it just encourages you to be a bit more free with your lines. Keeping all my lines really thin at the moment. I can't exactly cover anything up with gold leaf at this stage, so there is a big element of just going for it. Okay, this is going to take a while, so I'm going to put this on time lapse. Now I have coloured the branches in with dark brown and just put a coat of a lilac on all the blossom, and now I'm going to add some detail. So everything has 2 coats of white underneath and then 1 coat of this pale lilac paint and the branches in brown. Okay, so now I'm going to add some detail. So I've got some purple, lilac and white, and I'm going to add some depth to each blossom by mixing colours together on each individual petal. Some darker, some lighter. Now I'll be adding more details to this when it's dry, with the little stamen and everything in the middle. Actually, I don't like that. So it kind of just becomes a blur of lilac, but equally, when I come to add all the details, they'll be individualized. But the overall effect is just of this lovely soft blossom. So this blossom flower is tucked underneath that one. Okay, let's go for another one. So basically each one has got 5 petals. To just kind of build it up like a jigsaw. Make that one pale. Now the buds I like to do darker. hope you've enjoyed watching the process of how I went about creating this one. I guess what you didn't see is the endless, countless hours of obsessive detailing and all the time. I like the shape of the tree and the way it flows down. And I'm just gonna turn back and show you that this one is actually part of a pair. Here's the sister. And these are a commission for someone's dining room. So they're gonna be on opposite sides of a room. So I think they'll complement each other really nicely. So pink, obviously, just gonna have a look at the detail on this one. I can't decide which one I like best. Yesterday I didn't like either of them, but today I'm loving them again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I will be posting showcasing and tutorials and mural painting. So look forward to seeing you again.